Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where I can find the 11th elf on the Bloxburg 2024 Elf Hunt. You're just going to go to the beach. Okay, went past the parking spot. I'm just going to park there, go to your profile, go to the backpack, and you're going to find the sled. I just typed in tube, and you're going to buy this red inner tube sled. And you're going to go like underneath the like dock on this like pier thing, and you're going to swim until you find the elf. It's like underneath here somewhere. Where is it? It's very dark. Okay, it's here. Over here, and you're just going to press give, and voila, that is the 11th elf. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!